This video, we will look at how frequency distributions can be used to display our data on a graph. For this, I would like you to go to the Google Classroom and open the file Download Festival. This is an SPSS file, so it should appear on your computer like this. If it doesn't appear like this with all the action buttons here, then what you can do is go to File, Open, Data, and here you can open this in the SPSS, right? So here you can see the data view and the variable view. As you can see, there is a tick number, which is a ticket number, not very necessary for us. There are males and females, and there is hygiene on day 1, day 2, and day 3. And the study was the following, which is apparently a fake study. So a biologist was worried about the hygiene of concert goers. So he decided to go to the Download Festival and measure the hygiene of concert goers. Altogether, he measured 810 concert goers on 3 consecutive days. As you can see, on day 2 and day 3, there are missing data because it was difficult to track down everyone in the festival. The score of hygiene ranged between 0 and 4, 0 meaning very bad hygiene and 4 means cleanliness. So it's very good hygiene. So we would like to plot the frequency distribution here. So for that we open the chart builder, we checked our measurement levels, and so you choose the histogram. Here you can see that there are several options. So there is the simple histogram, which displays the frequency scores for one single variable. This is the stacked histogram. You use this if you have a grouping variable, if you would like to see the gender distribution. Then the frequency polygon, which is the same as the simple histogram, but instead of bars, it uses the area. And the population pyramid, if you would like to compare 2 groups of the same population. So our canvas is now clean, or at least doesn't display what we want to display. So we would like to choose a simple histogram. You double click on it, it appears on the canvas. Now it's not very exciting because we haven't added the variables. You have the variables here. We would like to see the frequency distribution of scores on day 1, where we have the complete data of the participants. So what you do is you drag your variable, yes, and you drop it to the x-axis, and this is a single variable, and it will be displayed against the frequency of scores. So here we will see on the y-axis how frequent one score is. Then you click OK, and in the output you will see, I hope everyone sees the same, that all the scores are displayed on one end at the distribution, which is less than 5, but there is one problem here. We have an outlier. Someone indicated 20, which was even not on our scale. So this is an outlier. Someone made a mistake, and this biases our mean because this is an extreme value, and we know that extreme value has a very bad effect on the mean of the data. So we have to find out who made that mistake and correct it. Probably this person wanted to put 2 instead of 20. With the histogram, unfortunately, we cannot do that. So in the next video, we will try to find out with a box plot.